Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS convertible. Gorgeous car. It's out of Tennessee. It's just undergone, really within the last year, a frame-up restoration. I actually bought this car from a buddy of mine, David, out of Knoxville. Great car. He bought it from a guy who's owned the car since 1989. David was restoring it for himself, was going to keep it. Unfortunately, he had to sell the car. I bought it from him, but a great car. It's finished in brand new Tuxedo black paint. You can see it's got that, he paid a lot of money for that. It's got that canvas, that black canvas top with the glass rear window, black vinyl interior. It's bucket seats, console, four-wheel disc brakes. It's got factory air, big block 454, 12-bolt rear end. Pretty car. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. I believe it's got all the original body panels except for quarters. And they put full GM quarters on this car when they replaced it. 87,000 original miles. It's kind of been sitting here for the last year as he's been getting the car restored. But good car, solid car, tough car for me to get. So if you're chasing a 70 through 72 Chevelle convertible, they're not easy to come by. It's got the steel cowl hood, the white super sport stripes. This top is pretty cool. It's a canvas top. Power top. I've ordered a new boot for the car. Again, it does have the glass rear window. New front and rear bumpers. See, the car is nice and flat down the sides. Those are 18 and 20 inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2s, all new rubber. Again, it's been converted to four-wheel disc brakes. Nothing crazy. It's a 454, pretty much stock. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering. Power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got it's a factory air car. The air does work, guys. Now, actually, as a matter of fact, I've got a green 70 here as well. A buddy of mine that does AC, he's going to convert it. It needs to be charged anyway, so it's actually R12 right now. We're going to convert it to the R134. We're waiting for the kit to come in, so we'll have it charged and converted to 134. 400 turbo hydromatic trans. It's not the matching numbers engine, but it is an early 70s 454 block. Jay reminded me they did convert it. When they did the disc brakes, they converted it to tubular A-arms up front. You can see it's got new door rubbers, new door pads, new carpet, new sill plates. I believe the front seats they replaced. I think the back seats original. The car only had 87,000 miles on it. You can see it's got a sports steering wheel, bucket seats, console. The back seat's in good shape though, but I don't think he said they had to replace that. It's got the factory dash, yeah, 87-110 on your odometer. You can see the gauges are nice. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM player. Again, power top. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12-bolt 331 limited slip gear. It's got the rear sway bar, the F41 suspension. That's pretty much all stock, guys. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Nice clean car. Again, I've ordered a boot for it. Car is very nice underneath, guys. Floors are nice and clean. Taking a bunch of pictures of the underside we'll post on the site. Car's got pretty, I mean, real pretty paint on it. That's fresh. Again, the car was painted about a year ago. Other than a couple of little touch-up marks, I think where they were, you know, adjusting the fitment, there's really not a whole lot to really pick at in the paint. Again, dash is nice. That's for the radio, guys. There's a, I think there's like a iPod plug-in. You know, I'm not a real radio guy. When I get in an old car, man, I just want to hear the motor. See, the AC does kick on, but we're going to convert it. I like the 71s because I like the front marker lights. I think they're cool. Parking brake, yep, parking brake works, guys. It's really just got the fuel gauge. Everything else is on the lights. Car's got a good sound to it. Get it to work?
No, I can't get it to turn on unless I'm not doing it.
It's all aftermarket. It's an aftermarket. There's a remote in here too.
Yeah.
Blower motor works.
Yep.
Top, yeah, I know the top works.
Top
It's cold out, guys. We're not gonna. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, give Leroy a call, give Jay a call at 248-620-3355.